Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Salesforce lead scoring using Einstein, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Salesforce lead scoring using Einstein, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the quick find box, type Einstein lead scoring to locate the feature quickly. Select Einstein lead scoring from the search results. Once on the Einstein lead scoring page, ensure you meet all prerequisites for setup. Check whether your Salesforce instance has the necessary permissions and features enabled. Next, click on the Get Started button to initiate the setup process. You will see a series of prompts guiding you through the setup. Review the overview provided about what Einstein lead scoring offers. Click on the Next button to continue to the configuration settings. You will be prompted to choose which lead fields you want to include in scoring. Select the relevant fields that impact lead quality for your organization. After selecting the fields, click Next to move to the scoring model selection. You can choose between a custom scoring model or the default model provided by Salesforce. Select your preferred scoring model and hit Next to proceed. On the next screen, you'll review the scoring criteria and ensure everything aligns with your business needs. Make any necessary adjustments before moving on. Click Next to finalize your scoring model configuration. You will receive a confirmation that your lead scoring setup is complete. At this point, you can access the scoring results by navigating to your leads. Look for the lead scoring field that has been added to your lead records. Monitor the scoring regularly to assess its impact on your lead conversion rates. Adjust your scoring criteria as needed based on performance metrics and feedback. Consider scheduling regular reviews to ensure the scoring model stays effective. Finally, communicate the changes in lead scoring to your sales and marketing teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.